Hey, my name's Zach Tomko, and today you're tagging along with me to see what it's like to be a biology student at Fairmont State. So typically I wake up around 6:30, 7 o'clock, and I have to get up that early because I have an hour commute. Never lived in a dorm here. I love that it's more of a personable environment. It's nothing for me to walk by and see all of my classmates or campus friends every day. You grow actual relationships with your classmates and your professors just because it's a smaller school.
You understand how that's going to work. Okay? If there's no questions, I think we are done. Thank you.
So this semester is interesting because I actually only have two set classes. Typically start off with analytical chemistry as my first lecture. Then directly after that class I have analytical chemistry lab. And that lab is supposed to be 3 hours, but it usually goes way over.
You've got to have a beaker big enough that it works. Okay? Makes sense? Be real careful there.
And then for lunch I get those little Uncrustables, crack that open, get a water bottle, and go to town with it. Good sandwich. Every now and then, if I'm feeling a little splurgy, I'll go to Chick-fil-A.
It's really complicated. So when you're done here, you're planning to go to grad school?
Yes, that's the plan. It's just kind of, I'm trying to plan things, like,
Yeah.
as far as like where I'm gonna move to and stuff. It's like,
And how's your research going?
it's going good, actually. It's going really good. You go to class, just like lectures for, 3.5 years. And then all of a sudden it's like, okay, here's your lab and, pick a project, and it's just kind of, they hand the reins to you. And it's just really cool being like, oh, hey, I actually learned something and I can use it. Most of my days are open. It's just personal research, which is focusing on botanically derived antibiotics. And that's the great thing about being a senior here at Fairmont State is once you make your project, it's kind of how much time you invest in your project. That's what you get out of it. Sometimes even simple, lame plants can actually have a lot of use in the medical field. This kind of stuff gets me excited, though. Each research project is kind of like a puzzle. I love that it's more of a personable environment, because I've had instances even where I'll message my professors with topics or questions that have nothing to do with the class. Even outside of lecture or lab or anything, like just in my own personal life. Talking about that, it's very loose. It's more of a personal relationship, I'd say. It's really great. Yes, that is perfect. This is going to make my life a lot easier, I think.
And you can see your old friends.
Are these the tanks we used for our copper testing?
Yeah.
I can go to my professors at any time, It's nice. Thank you for joining me for a day in my life as a bio student at Fairmont State University.